Let me also extend our deep appreciation to Ambassador Khosrow Naziri, whose tenure will conclude in August 2024. This is the last summit under his able leadership, and we applaud his services in strengthening the organization. I'm delighted that the next ECO Secretary General will be from Pakistan. And I hope that all the member states will extend the fullest cooperation to the Secretary General and assist him in furthering ECO's principle and purposes. Excellencies, the ECO region is blessed with natural resources, geographical contiguity, enterprising people, and a cultural heritage that can serve as a basis to expand trade and economic integration in this area. Nevertheless, despite our enormous potential and infinite resources, we have a share of only 2% in global trade and 8% in intra-regional trade. In the year 2022, imports of ECO countries within the region were recorded at US $39 billion out of their total world imports of US $577 billion in the same period. Likewise, the exports of ECO countries within the region stood at only $46 billion US against the total world exports of US $459 billion. This shows how the region has still not been able to achieve its true potential of increasing exports from the ECO region to the world, as envisaged in the ECO Vision 2025. It is an important document adopted during the 13th ECO Summit in Islamabad and enjoins ECO to principally increase intra-regional trade, strengthen regional connectivity, operationalize major ECO transport corridors, and seek energy security. We must deliberate as to how we can expand our share in global and intra-regional trade, become more competitive, reduce barriers to promote trade integration, develop infrastructure across the ECO region, have environmentally sustainable policies, and reduce poverty. There are lessons to be learned from the countries that have miraculously reduced poverty and used regional economic integration as a vehicle in a short span of time. Mr. Chairman, we are all aware of the significance of trade and the need for an integrated system of communications and transport in promoting trade. Corridor-based approach adopted by the ECO to maximize its potential was a step in the right direction. Transport Framework Agreement, as well as Fund for TTFA's implementation, envisaged the following corridors: KTAI, Kyrgyz Republic, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Iran; ITI, Islamabad, Tehran, Istanbul; KTI, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran; and PIT, Pakistan, Iran, Turkmenistan. Such corridors would lead to greater connectivity among the member states and usher in an era of massive economic growth in the region. Excellencies, reoperationalization of Istanbul-Tehran-Islamabad corridor has been a significant development. To speed up progress, Pakistan is upgrading its rail and road infrastructure to facilitate further flows of goods to our neighbors and beyond. Moreover, in order to enhance intra-regional connectivity, it is imperative that more border crossing points in the ECO